time I flew it, like I was just, my mind was blown. It's like you're sitting in the cockpit of a jet and it's flying. Like however you want to fly, you can fly. You can go straight up like 1 kilometer, in the air. You can do all kinds of acrobatic stunts. And it's like you're in the cockpit and you get the cockpit view. Like it's called FPV, first person video, first person view, and it's amazing. Like it's mind blowing.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate
Flying in such a beautiful track, it's really thrilling and you get some goosebumps when you go through some elements. I'm looking forward to it for the race now. Though it has been raining now, but the team, the effort from the team is like tremendous, and let's hope like we make it success altogether.
Get me out of now. To where we started. Get me out of now. To where we started.
Management team over here, and also the chief guest and everybody who were here to grace the occasion for the ribbon cutting. It's a fabulous moment, and the weather has been also fabulous. There were some hiccups because of the rains, and we were uncertain to make the night race happen, but the boys have put in such an amazing effort day in and day out.
Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. I don't know yet. It's fine to be alone, just to find someone.
Remember, the timing for each of these pilots only starts when pilots are ready. Guys, this is it. Do or die situation, audience on the edge of your seats at VIT grounds. What an occasion.
Oh, it was so fun. From the start gate to the first gate, I was directly behind Devnath. So I can share my footage later, but you'll see just his quad just, like 2 or 3 feet in front of me, and the entire stretch all the way down. So it was, really nerve-wracking that, I always know that somebody's just behind me. If I make a simple mistake somewhere, then he's just going to catch up with me.
Moment we have come here, I think Danish, he and his team have been working so diligently. And other people that cannot be named, you guys did amazing work. Like even though the rain knocked out a few elements the day prior, today there was no issues. Like this went like clockwork. So a great applause to you all. It's very hard to get this done. So you should give credit to your.
No, I'm not a VITian, but you can tag me a VITian. That's a lovely track. I know many of them, like I have seen many tracks. This was literally amazing and challenging to test all the aspect ratios and the skill set of a pilot. Thanks a lot for making this happen, and trust me, a great work even after being such uncertain climate over here. Thank you guys. We'll see you next year.